yours. Let's go. Can I take you over to my hideaway? Some things that I wanna say, but it's only for you and me. Don't need some privacy. Can I take you over to my hideaway? Some things that I wanna say, but it's only for you and me. Don't need some privacy. Can I take you to my hideaway? Can I take you to my hideaway? Can I take you to my hideaway?
Telephone voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe, and my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
O le si tūranga pitusili o le tāu. O le lafo me o le pepa tala o loa. O na whaanga le whaatau i o loa e au ngā mo le ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai ai le sa so fua tau e le sia sa.
Le fia foi sa we mo mawina le foi au nang fo ala mai le talo for voucher. Ila wana fa tau ma me te mga oi. Ile voucher.
Tai mo le tālo pa voucher. Ua maua le apususi o se wa fine.
So se paro loa fai ngo fie, a me se le te whelua i mana telefoni, tai mi uma.
Ai lo le lafo me le cash. O na inu e lor tamā o le ainga.
Ya fa te tu lava le talo for voucher mo le foi au nang fo pa tai. Ma lu lava le tsam fai.
Pa tai tālo pa voucher.
Teki, talo pa voucher.
Talafalava everyone, malole sa formal malangi mama, and a warm Pacific greeting.
It's very hot today.
I'm just like, guys, talafalava, and thank you to everyone who has tuned in today. It's Tuesday, it's sunny, it's beautiful. How are you?
I am so good today. It's such a sunny day here in Auckland, New Zealand, and honestly, it's so hot outside. And if today's an indication of how hot it's going to be this summer, I am very much looking forward to it. But thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. It is day 2 of another fabulous week, and it's going really well so far. For those of you that tuned in yesterday, we did go for a walk around of the O9 out here in Manukau City, which was really nice. Something different.
It was something different, and it was nice. It was beautiful outside. You know, and we do this because we thought it was time just to have a little break, and it's important for everyone who was watching, or especially during lockdown, take a little time to have a break for yourself. It's important.
Definitely. And another thing that is important is celebrating our loved ones. And today we are celebrating the very, very happy birthday of our producer Rams on the show. So happy birthday to producer Rams. And I reckon we sing him a happy birthday.
I think so too.
I see that he's put down his headphones because I know that he knows that we can't sing properly. But here we go.
It is all about celebrating life, and I'm going to say it again. Last week we celebrated the beautiful Daisy's birthday. We came together as a family, as a Bluwave ainga, and we spoke about how important it is to celebrate milestones, to celebrate life. Because what's the point of celebrating without laters? Sorry, guys. But guys, that's
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, producer Rams. Happy birthday to you. I think we'll go for the Samoan version. If you are celebrating your birthday and you are like wondering, we're going to do it in Samoan version just for all of our viewers that are celebrating a birthday today. Let's go.
Get it, girl.
Emanuela waso whanau, Emanuela waso whanau, Emanuela waso whanau. Producer Rams and everyone that's watching the show that's celebrating a birthday. Emanuela tua. Happy birthday! Yay! Honestly, it's so important to celebrate life. And even though our voices were not as good as a Radner's, it's still Blue TV worthy.
That's the one.
But how has your day been today? Because outside, the weather is beautiful and I'm loving it. I'm looking at like kind of.
Me too. And to be completely honest, I'm kind of breaking out into a little bit of a sweat right now because we've got the air conditioning on and everything, but it's just so hot in Auckland today.
Gosh, it is. But you know what? And I've seen so much happening in Auckland at the moment. I know that Jacinda Ardern has announced that we are going to be heading into level 3, stage 2. And what does that mean for you and me and everyone here in Auckland? It means just a little bit of freedom. However, we still need to make sure that we are using the tracer apps and that we are making sure that we are still safe. Keep that 2 meter distance and just don't burst too many bubbles, guys.
Definitely. So Flora and the kids at MW Harvest Treats are saying that I should sing the birthday song in Spanish.
Oh,
Now,
I think so too.
I've never really sung solo before, and I don't think you guys want to hear me sing solo, but I'm still going to do it anyway, so
Yes!
I do apologize for any bleeding that may cause to your ears.
I'll dance.
I'm gonna look for. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Cumpleaños felices, te deseamos a ti. Cumpleaños felices, te deseamos a ti. I feel like I broke a little bit there. But yes, I did get a thumbs up from producer Ram, so I am happy. Happy birthday to you.
See, how about that? You not only get the English version, you get the Samoan version, but you get the Spanish version right here on Blue TV. Let's go.
Yes,
Man.
only here on Blue TV. BluTable Podcast, you have the triple whammy, triple threat.
Yeah, I'm going to learn the Maori version now.
We should. Maybe we
should.
should just like start learning how to sing happy birthday in all these different languages.
Yeah, and then maybe someone will sign us up. Sony, how about that?
Platinum Records.
But look, we do have a very, very special guest today. We did advise everyone earlier on that we have Bronson, the awesome Bronson, today. But as always, Bronson is driving around with his entourage. We've got Vasah and Mina also, who will be making sure that if Bronson can't answer a few questions, that they'll be answering. It is a very, very important day for our youth here in Auckland. All of the Pasifika youth students, they've come together for one purpose and one purpose only. And we can't wait to talk a little bit about it with Bronson, Mina and Vasah straight off the bat. That's why I got my young youth hat on, so I can look youthful like Bronson.
You are youthful.
But guys, don't go anywhere. Right after this, ask all your questions. What's happening tomorrow? Stay tuned.
The little kids at MW Harvest Treats are like, we're gonna go look for some.
Telephone voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe, and my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight here to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
O le si tūlanga pitusili o le tāua. O le lafo me o le pepa tala o loa. ona whaangale e whaatau i o loa e au ngā mole ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai ai la sa suma fua tau e lesi asa sa.
Le fia po i sau e mo mawina le fui au nang fo e ala mai le talo for voucher. Ila wana whaakau ma me te mga oai. Ile voucher.
Tai mo le talo whawata ua maua le apususi o sewa whine.
So se paro loa whaingo fie, a me se le te whelua i mana o telefoni, taimi uma.
Ai lo le lafo me le cash ona inu e leo tamao le ainga.
Whaftea tu lava le talo for voucher mo le fui au nang fo whaftai. Ma lua lava le taumpai.
Tai talo whawata. Teki talo whawata.
Kia ora, friends and family and anyone that may be watching this video. I hope you are all safe at home and in your bubbles. A big shout out to our essential workers that are out there that are towing the line for everyone. I know it's been quite testing times, especially for our whānau, our ainga up here in Auckland. Anyway, I've just jumped on just to let everyone know that we have another vaccination event happening this coming Thursday on the 11th of November at the Tuku Community Centre located on 32 Riverton Drive in Maridua in the Ranwa Park area. So we'll be targeting the Ranwa Park area. Come on down, get vaccinated. Look, we have a hot meal. Dinner is on us. So we have a nice hot meal. If there is one out of your family, we will feed your whole family. It is a beautiful, nice Pacific Polynesian hot meal. We also have a voucher also for the person getting vaccinated, whether it be a petrol voucher or shopping voucher. I'd really love to have a Christmas meet with my whole family this Christmas. So hey, people, if you haven't been vaccinated, this is a great opportunity to come on down and get vaccinated this coming Thursday at the Tuku Community Centre, 32 Riverton Drive from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. So we'll see you there and let's all have fun, guys. See you later, blessed day.
Talofa lava and welcome back, guys. Back to BluTable Podcast. Honestly, it is so hot in the studio today. And while we were on break, I was telling Bev she could leave, just because we're all dying of heat in here. But I guess she wants to see us suffer. But honestly, you guys, we are so blessed so grateful to have Bronson back on the show with us. Now, you may recall he was on the show with us a couple of weeks ago, and he was doing a Vax Drive, and now it's Bronson again with all the Pacific youth leaders, and they're going to do a very special event tomorrow, and he's going to talk to us a little bit more about it. So, talofa lava and welcome, guys. Thank you so much for joining us on the show. We got Bronson, Mina, and Vasah. Love it.
We're in the car.
Now, I don't think we can actually hear Bronson at the moment.
Can you hear me now?
Bronson, Mina, and Vasah.
Can you hear us?
Okay.
Take 3.
Take 10. Bronson, can you hear us, Bronson?
Yeah.
Oh, we just can't hear him for some reason.
Okay.
Hold on.
Oh no!
I can see Vasah and Mina at the back just hyping up Bronson as always. And now we are going to keep trying to see if we can hear.
This might be like the blooper reel that goes viral again.
I know. Look at Bronson. Bronson's gonna start. We're gonna go into a quick break, guys.
Oh.
Look at that. Look at how so patient. We're gonna go into a quick break, guys. Stay tuned.
Hi, Martin.